Hi guys, today we're going to show you the camping table for our Lexus GX550. It gets installed on the rear bumper. The base goes on the bumper and another bracket grabs the buckle of the lock. This is one way to install it. The other way would be to use regular legs, which it also has, and put it down on the ground. And right now we'll show you how it gets assembled. Inside the box we've got the installation manual. We have the base for our table. This is the actual table, guys, with the legs. And we also have a couple of rods and a bracket which will be installed on top of our table. And here we have some additional holders and accessories. To install the base, first we have to undo these nuts. There are 3 of them. Now, the base has to face, this end has to face this side. So install it like this. And by the way, guys, it can be rotated 90 degrees. So now I will reinstall all the nuts. And at this point the installation is pretty much complete. Now we need to insert this end on top of the lock buckle like this. And this bracket goes on the bumper. So I will tighten this bracket, and we will replicate the process with this one. This will allow us to align this table. And look at what we have there. We have the table and we have enough room to sit next to it. So if you guys going off-roading or doing camping, this will be the way to have your camping table. To rotate the table 90 degrees, first, guys, we'll need to loosen these nuts partially. You don't have to take them all the way. And look at this now. I now can turn the table this way, and this gives us a little bit of flexibility in terms of organizing our things. Now we'll install some additional accessories that we have in the set. First of all, these 2 rods will go right here. And this additional bracket, guys, gets opened like this and goes on top of the rods, and now you can use it to hang something like your frying pans or your cups or anything else. Besides that, in the set we have cup holders. This is how I install one. This holder can be used for the gas tanks, and we have another cup holder right here. As you can see, guys, they're easily removable, and now we have two different ones for two types of glasses or bottles. Besides being positioned on the rear bumper, you can also remove the table and put it on the ground. So to do that, first we will remove this bracket. I will remove cup holders, and we'll now have to remove it from the vehicle. So for this, I will remove it like this. You have to press on two sides to remove it from the buckle. And now, guys, I will disconnect the base. The base comes off, and as you can see, guys, it can be done within minutes. So now we have all these legs already attached to the table. We will install them one by one. Besides it, guys, I'll quickly show you, it can also be extended, as you can see. So if you need a larger, taller table, you can extend these legs. But for now, I will just put it like this, and now it can be used as the regular table. Again, guys, this is how our fully assembled table looks like in the Lexus GX. If you like this product, we will leave you a link in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.